Bumuhos ang luwas sa naganap na contract signing ng Nation Girl Group na BINI sa ABS-CBN Network noong February 4. Hindi napigilan ng mga miyembro ng pinakasikat na all-female girl group sa Pilipinas na maging emosyonal pagkatapos nilang pumirma ng network contract na ginanap sa Dolphy Theater inside ABS-CBN building. Sulit kapamilya pa rin ang BINI na kinabibilangan ni na Aya, Colette, Gwen, Joanna, Maloy, Mika, Sheena at Stacy matapos nga silang pumirma ng exclusive contract sa ABS-CBN. Present din sa contract signing ang mga bossing ng network na sina Chairman Mark L. Lopez, President and CEO Carlo L. Katigbak, COO of Broadcast Corvi Vitanes at ABS-CBN Head of TV Production at Star Magic Head Lorente Chogi. Naluluwa ring minsay ni Tita Cory sa grupo, "Congratulations and thank you very much. Thank you for your continued trust in ABS-CBN. You trusted us from the day each of you auditioned for BINI until today that we signed our new contract. This contract is very important to all of you and to all of us because this is commitment to our shared goal of world-class excellence. Congratulations on all your successes. We are very proud of you have become and all that you have achieved. You have proven to be amazing, authentic, and empowered women with excellent talent and big hearts that are filled with love to share to everybody. BINI, you are very special and you have become a part of Pinoy culture. You have won the hearts of millions of Filipinos worldwide. You rightfully deserve to be called our Nation Girl Group and the pride of Filipinos." Payag pa ng TV executive. Patuloy pa niya to be here to hold your hands, to guide you, to support you. Maaasahan nyo yan to your parents and your families. Thank you for trusting us through the years with your girls. Salamat. Pahayag naman ni BINI Joanna, "Kinakabahan, natutuwa and sobrang grateful lang kami for this day. This contract signing is not just a milestone, it's a promise that palagi naming gagalingan. We will continue working hard and grow as artists. Thank you so much ABS-CBN dahil kasama namin sila sa susunod naming taon sa pagtupad ng mas marami pa naming pangarap." Anya pa. Isa-isa ring pinasalamatan ng mga BINI members ang kanilang mga pamilya, ang ABS-CBN at ang kanilang milyong-milyong fans. Message ni Benny Aya, "Thank you because you are the very first one who believed in us when we were still in our teenage years. Mostly sa amin, away from our family and friends, and it was really hard for us. We trusted you and thank you so much for trusting us as well. We are going to keep trusting you until we are 30s or how many years to come. Thank you so much because you allowed us to be us." Dagdag niya. Nagpasalamat naman si BINI Mika sa mga Blooms fandom ng grupo matapos mapanood ang video greetings ng mga ito mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. "Kita nyo naman na appreciate namin yung ginagawa nyo, di ba? Sobrang nakakatuwa lang kasi never namin in-expect na may mga Blooms na makakapansin sa mga bagay na hindi namin in-expect na mapapansin nila na they show genuine care sa amin." Malalim ang mga pinakawalang hugot ng kapamilya actress at singer na si Maymay Entrata tungkol sa mga discovery niya sa career at personal life. Marami raw siyang nadiscover sa kanyang sarili nitong mga nagdaang taon at marami pa raw siyang nais gawin pagdating sa usapin ng pagiging artist at performer. Sa Instagram may mahabang post si Maymay kung saan inamin niyang halos nasubukan na niya ang lahat ngunit ang feeling niya ay may kulang pa. Dito nabanggit din niya na mas magpo-focus siya this time sa music. "Halos isang dekada na akong nasa industriya, acting, hosting, modeling. Napasok ko at inaral ko po lahat sa dahilang di ko pa alam kung ano yung gusto kong tatahakin. Habang lumilipas ang panahon, marami po akong na-experience, marami na akong goals na nakamit, pero parang feeling ko noon may kulang pa rin." Simulang pagbabahagi ni Maymay. Nagsimula raw magbago ang takbo ng kanyang music career nang dahil sa hit song niyang "Ama Kabugera" noong 2021 na naging national anthem pa nga for women empowerment. Pagpapatuloy ni Maymay, "I've done music po before but it all changed when I released Ama Kabugera. I was empowered, I felt strong. Bigla kong naramdamang umaapaw ang passion ko for I felt happy every time I learned something about music. That was the moment I decided to pursue it seriously." Isa din sa pinasasalamatan ko ay ang Star Music, Star Pop, Star Magic, My Love Family kasi isa sila sa malaking parte po sa empowerment na nararamdaman ko dahil naniniwala po talaga sila sa akin at sa potential na meron ako. At dahil doon naniniwala na rin ako sa sarili ko mensahe pa ng dalaga. Masaya ring ibinalita ni Maymay na very soon ay ilalabas na niya ang bago niyang regalo sa mga fans. Ito yung kanta kung saan ibabahagi niya sa madlang people ang mga pinagdaanan niya sa buhay. More than a year na po ako nagpe-prepare for a certain project. May bagong music po akong ilalabas very soon. Music that reflects lahat ng pinagdadaanan ko at lahat ng laman ng aking puso. I've reached another turning point in my career. I want to remake myself. I want to be reborn. And with that, let me introduce myself. I am Maymay and sana masamahan niyo po ako sa aking journey of discovery and sharing my inner world with you through my music. In the meantime, join my broadcast channel where I will share more about my life and my music. Pahayag ni Maymay. Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.